front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can change or customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon at the top left corner. Now select Themes and tap on Do It Now or Try It Later if you want to choose a photo to custom your theme right away. I would recommend to check out all of the available options though. You can tap on one of those downloaded themes to apply one instantly, or click on this icon of a shirt, this one, and a plus located in Downloaded Themes section. Now you can pick any of those. Tap on the best one for you, hit download and tap on apply. As you can see, after a few seconds mine has changed. To customize it though, click on the same icon at the top left corner, tap on Themes, and this time use this icon of a photo under Customized Themes. Now click on the photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and even rotate it however you wish to. Choose Next, and then play with all of those options to create a perfect keyboard. You can pick one of the simple keys shapes and border color, or what I like to do, pick one of those. You can even adjust opacity thanks to this slider. Then choose font, click on the best one, and pick a color. Let's stick with white though. Select Swipe to pick one of those float options, color of it, and by scrolling down, you can also adjust brightness and blurriness of your selected photo by operating those two sliders. That's way too bright. Let's do it like this. Then hit Effect. And now decide if you want to see key press bubble thanks to this switcher. Select any of those options, like this one, and check it out by pressing on your keys to see the animation. Then tap on Sound. Now you can adjust volume here and pick one of those sound effects you will hear every time you will press a key. You can also select this one, which is a standard key sound, or mute it by tapping on this first key sound option. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. And now when I go back, as you can see, my new theme was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!